Hello, good morning everyone. For this video, I want to tell you about myself, especially about my future target in my life, my current activity related to my school, and also my experience so far related to my future target. Before I start to explain my presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Diki Aryanto Tarioran. I am a student of Mercubuana University. I'm majoring in informatic engineering. Okay, without further ado, I will start my presentation. The first is my future target. You know, in my future, I want as a programmer. Programmer is a person who writes computer program. In other words, you make program to solve problem with computer. I choose this target because this job is related to my major, but the most important thing is I like something about technology. I like how it's useful to our life. Technology provides a way to make our work easier. This is so important to me. In the future, I expect to build a startup, and I hope it's contribute to my field. Every day, I often code with C++. I try to solve basic problem with code. But if I get stuck, I will find the answer on YouTube or Google. They always provide it. To become a programmer, it's not only about code, but you should have knowledge about English. I want to improve my English skill. I often practice my English by playing music and watching. Because English is an international language, you have to give explanation about your program with English. This is the reason why I joined to MBEZ. I am so grateful that I can be accepted at MBEZ. The second is my current activities. At the moment, I focus to finish my major assessment too, especially major assessment of algorithm and programming. On algorithm and programming, we have to make source code about ticket sales. Before making a source code, I first made a design for the ticket process flow. This is very draining. When we start to code, the first one thing you should make is a processor directive. It means like this. It serves to tell the compiler that the file will use some of the features contained in the mentioned library. After did it, we should make the declaration. The declaration includes variable and data type. It means like this. And this is my program. I have been working on it for 1 week before, but I have to repair it because I get some problem with my program. It's error. After make a source code, I will make the PowerPoint to be presented later in the next lesson. Because of this major assessment, I live doing other tasks because the deadline given to me is only for 2 weeks, so I need focus to finish this assignment. This assignment has a greater value than other assignments, so I prioritize that. Okay, and the last is my experience. As I talked before, I want to be a programmer. To become a programmer, you not only have a skill with code, but you must be creative, hard worker, And the thing that not less important is you have a great English skill. With English, you can learn about coding easily. You can looking for reference on the YouTube and website. There are many software providers also use English. I start to learn code at the beginning of the lectures. I never learned about code before. So this is my first time to learn coding. But according to English, I have studied English before. In senior high school, I also took additional lessons after school. My teacher said to improve your English skill, you should enjoy it. So you have no pressure to learn it. Every day, I played music, especially Western genre. I can sing while studying. This is my hobby too. When I have a difficult word meaning, I would written it down in my notebook. So every day I can review it. I think these are all my presentation. I hope you can understand my explanation. If I've ever talked something not pleasing, I'm so sorry. Thank you for your attention.